Hi, once again, welcome to another episode of Money Horn. Today, I would like to show you how you can get $15 or more just every video you watch for free. Yeah, this is the easiest way to earn money online right now. But you can also watch not only videos, you can watch movies or play games, and if still you are going to earn money. Before I show you the method, hi, this is Jash from Money Horn. If you want to know more latest make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you are always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, so let's move on to the method by which you can earn $15 or more by just watching videos with and play games and spend couple of minutes and you are good to go to earn $15 per video you watch or per movie you watch or per game you play. This is really awesome and I think this is easy if you are active. So all you have to do, I'm going to show you the first site by which you can earn money, and that is animationarena.com. animationarena.com. This is a great site by which you can earn money online for just watching some videos and watching some movies and play games and lots of things like that. They have more options than you in the entertainment field. You can get movie reviews, you can write video reviews, you can comic book reviews that you can write, and obviously animation books and lots of things you can do about entertainment, movies, video and games world, and you can earn decent amount of money from them. But the thing is, you won't see any link anywhere in this site. This is like a blog site, this is like an article sites that are posting games related articles, movie related, video related articles, and animation graphics related articles, but you will not get the options to earn money online from them. I don't know why, but this is like hidden. I'm going to show you the link by which you can get to their earn money online sections right now. So I'm going to show you their earn money online section. This is the earn money online section for Animation Arena, and this is they are going to give you payment for writing video game, comic book and movie reviews, and I'm sure you can do that. It is very easy to do, but the link of this section of their site is animationarena.com/arena-writer.html. So this is the link, animationarena.com/arena-writer.html. This is the site, this is the page. I don't know why they are hidden, but this is the great site that people are earning money from. Maybe there is a reason, but for now all you have to do is write reviews. The video you watch or any movie you watch, any game you play, you just write a review and submit it to their site, and you can see that they are going to pay you $15 per review, and this is really great, and you can submit 10 reviews per month. So that's the limit, but you can increase it by I can register it with multiple emails so that you can increase this earning opportunity there. So all you have to do is review each and every movies, comic books, video games you like, and just write a minimum of 550 words long review, and you can not copy it from anywhere. Plagiarism is prohibited here, and you have to write it in your words. You have to be honest by giving reviews, and at the end of that review you have to rate the material on a scale of 1 to 10. So and this is the format, this is the way you have to write your reviews on your favorite games, comics, or movies, and then submit it to their email address here. And you have to be write the subject line like writing for Animation Arena 2011, and these are the format of your email body should look like, and this can change time to time, but this is the format. You have to put your name, age, subject, and so on. You have to read it and exactly sort it in your email and submit that email with your review article attached with it to this email address of animationarena.com, so that you can get accepted. They will going to review you, and most of the case, definitely, if you are writing it in your words and you are making it good, then there is a better chance that your review will going to get selected by them, and then they will start giving you payment $15 per review you give. And this is a one-time task, and this is a really easy way that you can start earning money by just reviewing video games, comics, books, and movie reviews. But if you're like a little lazy to write reviews and spend times on videos and comics and movies, and which is lengthy, and you can just earn money by watching short and simple videos. And for that, I'm going to show you the second website by which you can earn money for just watching simple short videos, and which is paying great amount of money, and the site name is Cashkick.com. Cashkick.com is a survey related site, but they are right now getting popular day by day, and they have 4 options to work with that you already do every day, and that is watching video, you surf the web, you answer some survey questions, and looks for deals to buy in your local market, and they are all the work you do every day, and they are going to pay you for that. But they have an watch video options here, which is the most important part, that by which you can just watch simple ads, simple short videos, and earn decent amount of money. And they are not going to give you some points, they are going to pay you money directly to your PayPal account. Isn't it great to get money in your PayPal? Yeah, that is really great. So all you have to do is watch regularly, login, register here, just putting your email and password, and click get started now, and you are good to go to watch videos. And they are going to show you videos every day, and you do not have to watch it by sitting it in front of your computer. All you have to do is just log in into your dashboard, open their video sections, and play it, and the video going to play one after another, and you can just let it run in the background and do your other works on your PC or anything you use, any device you use. So all you have to do is just let it run background as well. You can also watch it in front, but that's also work well. So Cashkick is going to get you very decent amount of money, but not $15, but the very decent amount of pocket money that you can earn from this, cause this is less work, less time spent, and ads videos are small in comparison to Animation Arena, where you have to watch a full movie or play a video game and spend couple of hours and also spend some time to write the review, and then you have to submit it. So the payout is greater here. But Cashkick is easy. You do not have to do anything, you do not have to write any review, you just watch it and get paid. So this is it, guys. This is the 2 methods that you can avail to earn $15 or more every day, and this is really easy way to make money online. But before for that you have to be active, and then money will follow you. So this is it. If you have not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.